Morning everyone, myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about differences between containerization versus virtual machine. Okay, let's see the overview. Okay, first one, what is virtualization? Simple example, we have a Linux, we have a physical server. Inside the particular physical server, we can run the multiple operating system. We can call it as a virtualization. Using enabling that particular virtualization, you can run the multiple operating system in a single physical server. Okay, and next one, containerization. Using this containerization enables you to deploy the multiple application using same operating system. Simple example, you have a one Linux server. Inside will be installed Docker. Okay, then you can run the multiple applications same single operating system. Instead of each and every application, instead of creating separate guest OSs, okay, guest OS is nothing but operating system. Okay, you can, when you deploying that containerization application, single operating system, you can deploy the multiple, you can run or you can deploy the multiple applications. Okay, and let's see that diagram, you'll get more idea. For example, we have virtual machine. In this particular virtual machine, we have infrastructure. In this top of infrastructure, we have a hypervisor. Inside the top of that hypervisor, we have a multiple guest OSs. For example, we have three applications. You want to deploy three applications, we may use three different guest OSs. Example, if you see here, application A, we required one guest OS. Application B, we required one guest OS. Application C, we required one guest OS. In case if it is containerized application, how? Let's see. We have an infrastructure. Inside top of that infrastructure, we have operating system. Top of that, we will be install the Docker. Then you can deploy the multiple applications. For example, we have 4 applications. Single operating system, we can deploy all the applications. We have installed the Docker. Okay. The main advantage of containerized application, single operating system, you can run multiple applications. But when it comes to the virtual machine, okay, if you want to deploy multiple applications, you require multiple operating system. Okay, that is a major difference. If you understand this difference, you are almost understanding the Docker. Okay, I hope understand that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.